Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that your brain has been secretly editing your memories every single day. Not just small details, entire emotions, faces, even the order of events, quietly rewritten without your permission. Sounds like science fiction, but this is exactly how human memory works. Every time you recall a memory, your brain doesn't play a perfect recording. It rebuilds the moment from fragments, images, emotions, sounds, and then stores the updated version again. This process is called reconsolidation, and it means your memories are never fixed. They are living, changing stories. That's why two people can experience the same event and remember it completely differently. Your brain prioritizes meaning over accuracy, survival over truth. It keeps what feels important and discards what doesn't, even if that changes what actually happened. Scientists have shown that simply asking leading questions can alter someone's memory of an event, and over time, the new version feels just as real as the original. Even more surprising, your brain is more likely to keep emotionally intense memories, even if they're slightly distorted, because emotions act like a highlighter for your mind. This is why embarrassing moments feel crystal clear years later, while ordinary days disappear. But here's the most powerful part. Because memories are editable, you can actually reshape how you feel about your past. Therapies for trauma use this exact mechanism, helping people recall painful memories in safe environments so the brain rewrites them with less fear attached. In other words, your past isn't just something that happened to you. It's something your brain keeps rewriting. Right now, as you're listening to this, your mind is already deciding which parts of this video you'll remember and which will vanish in hours. So the question is, how much of what you call your past is actually true, and how much is a story your brain keeps improving? If this changed the way you see your own memories, subscribe for more mind-bending science about the hidden powers of your brain.